Hello everyone, today's video is going to be another clean with me. I started off my cleaning in the kitchen. I had a pile of dishes to do. I'm using Mrs. Meyer's dish soap from the Grove Collaborative website, and right now Grove Collaborative has an awesome deal going on that you don't want to miss out on. Right now you can get all of these items for free on their website for a limited time. You get a Miss Meyer's dish soap, hand lotion in the scent of your choice, and you also get a Grove dish brush. You get all of this for free with your first order of $20 or more. Love this dish brush. I've been using it so much lately when I wash the dishes, and the brush part of it is removable, so you can replace it if you have to. Grove Collaborative carries a wide variety of natural products. That's where I get all of my cleaning supplies. I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite ones in this video because I will be using them. And I also get Owen's diapers off of there. They have 7th generation diapers. I get 7th generation wipes. I get Kyle's toothpaste. I get the kids' body wash off of there. I get my body wash off of there. They just have such a great wide variety for you to choose from, and they always have awesome deals going on. And I will put the link for this deal to get all of these free items down in the description box. After that, I cleaned Owen's high chair using the Caldria Sea Salt and Neroli countertop spray. To clean his high chair, I'll either use Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner or this countertop spray. This Caldria countertop spray smells so amazing. It is definitely one of my absolute favorite products from Grove. Now I'm going to share a little mom hack with you. You might already know this trick, but you can put a command strip on the back of your high chair and then you can hang all of your bibs from it. I never knew about this until I saw it on Pinterest, and it's basically genius. If you already knew about this or if you do it, let me know down in the comments. After I got the kitchen all cleaned up, I started my oil diffuser, and I'm going to be using the peppermint oil from the Grove Collaborative website. They have a wide variety of oils on there, and the peppermint is my favorite. It has a really good strong smell to it. If you don't want to burn candles in your house, then you can diffuse essential oil. I love diffusing this peppermint oil. It makes the whole house smell so amazing. And then I folded a load of clothes that was in the dryer, and then I started a load of laundry in the washer. I'm using 7th generation laundry detergent in the scent Free and Clear, and Mrs. Meyer's fabric softener in the scent Lemon Verbena. The Lemon Verbena scent from the Mrs. Meyer's is my favorite scent that they have. If you get the free deal, the free dish soap, and hand lotion, and you can't decide which scent to get, then just go with the Lemon Verbena. That's what I got. It's just a great go-to scent because it smells so amazing. And I'm sharing all my favorite household and cleaning products from Grove as I'm using them, because I figured if you get the free deal and you gotta do your $20 minimum order and you can't decide what to get, then hopefully this will give you some great ideas. You can get some of my favorite products if you want. After that, I headed back to the hall bathroom to do some cleaning, and I'm using 7th generation toilet bowl cleaner, and then I used Method glass and surface cleaner. I sprayed this onto the toilet before I wiped it down, and I also used this on the bathroom countertops, on the mirrors. These are both products that once I run out of them, I always reorder them. And then I wiped down the toilet using Clorox wipes. These are not from Grove, these are from Walmart. After that, I washed the mirror using that Method glass and surface cleaner again, and just some paper towels. And then when I was done, I gave the bathroom a few spritz of this Caldria room spray. This is in the scent Juniper Laurel Mint, I think, and this scent smells really good. My clothes were done washing in the washer, so I put them into the dryer, and you'll notice that I'm separating out some shirts as I'm putting clothes into the dryer, and those are my husband's work shirts. I can't put them into the dryer because they shrink, so I have to separate them out and hang them up to dry. I use these wool dryer balls from Grove Collaborative instead of dryer sheets. Dryer sheets have so many harmful chemicals in them, so wool dryer balls are a great natural alternative. You can buy them in a 3-pack from Grove, and you can also sprinkle them with some essential oil if you want to. So then later, when the clothes were dry, I got them out and folded them. I hope you all have a great weekend, and to all of the mothers who are watching, I hope that you have a wonderful Mother's Day tomorrow, and shout out to my mom, who I know is watching this video. I love you, Mom. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.